Hi friends, welcome to my bedroom. So while being in quarantine, I realized that I'm not loving my bedroom right now. I never really designed it. I spent all of my time designing the living room, the kitchen, that area, and I never really came in here and made it cute and made it livable and made it practical, most of all. So while in quarantine, I really realized that these are priorities for me and that I wanted to finally sit down and get this bedroom in shape. Okay, the bedroom. Here she is. Bedding is just white and boring. We fixed this bed like 100,000 times, so we are looking for a new one. Hat wall, Watson used to eat it, so that one's gone. The desk is a recent addition with the work from home situation. I'd love to do something with the jewelry. We threw away the knobs accidentally, half of them, for this dresser, so gotta remedy that situation. And the infamous shoe rack that does not let this door close. So that is essential. And that's the bedroom pretty much. I'll give you a little swivel here. Okay, so here's how I like to approach a redesign. I first like to think about what's not working. So as I said, the practicality of this room is not there because the shoe rack prevents the door from closing and the bed is broken. So fixing those things. 2, lighting. My lighting is tragic. So we have this nice bright window during the day, which is great, but we only have this one lamp which lights up the whole room at night, and it is not enough. So want to fix the lighting. And 3, just personality. It's so boring in here. We just have like this, like a white bedspread, nothing, the art on the walls is all over the place, and I'd like to fix that, so giving it some personality. So that's what I'm fixing. The things that I like are I need the desk because of work from home, so the desk is gonna stay. I love this dresser, but the knobs are crazy, so I need to replace the knobs. And that's about all. So that's what we're starting from. So let's do some mood boarding. Welcome to the mood board. I love mood boarding. It really helps me take all the ideas in my head and put them on paper to see what flows together. In this case, we're doing really natural tones. We're doing the light pine wood, we're doing linens, and we're doing this terracotta as the accent color. I'm really excited. Let's see how it comes together. We have a piece of furniture. Okay, so this is going to help us organize our closet. Right now, it is kind of a hot mess. It's full, and it has bins on the floor. It has an old drawer that is no longer in a dresser that's holding my skirts. So this is gonna help us, hi. So this is gonna help us organize our extra clothes and get rid of the shoe rack on the back of the door by making space. So let's unpack it. Okay, a lot of pieces. This is gonna take a while. And look, she's done. It's beautiful. I'm actually really very pleased with this purchase. It's from Amazon. I will link it below. But I love the wood top, and it has these cute little tags that I haven't put on yet where you can label what's inside. So I think it's gonna be perfect. Can't not wait to organize this closet. Hello! Okay, so today we are doing the painting of the wall. We're doing a big circle like a headboard, and I just started. So basically, I measured my bed, I cut it in half, and then I put a string on the wall to measure the circle with this pencil. Let's see how it goes. So here's the string. Here's the pencil. I genuinely don't know how to do this. there. Okay, bedroom check-in. Today we're handling the art. Watson is always at the door. Okay, so today we're handling the art. I am keeping the boxing gloves because I think it's a nice little symmetry. I have my hat wall, Murat has his boxing gloves. So it's kind of like, these are the two people who live in this room. And then I'll show you the other things. I just hung up this little cutie. It's obviously Watson in all his glory. This was when he was a puppy. I drew this on my iPad, but he gets this little space because he lives here too. Goes right over his crate. You like it, Watson? He's like, Mom, please. Okay, next on the agenda. I painted this last night. I actually think it's pretty ugly. I don't think it's ugly. I think it's very poorly done, but it's temporary. So I used the paint from that wall. And then this is actually the color that the other color that I picked for the wall that I did not end up using. So I just used both of them. And that's gonna go there as a placeholder. Ta-da! Oh, hi. Can you believe that we made it to the end of this makeover? I felt like during quarantine this was really hard because I had to do a lot of curbside pickup, I had to do a lot of sanitizing, I had to do a lot of ordering online. That took forever, but we made it! I feel like this is the perfect embodiment of the mood board that I made. It is really bright, it has a ton of personality. Like the circle, can you believe? I literally painted a circle on the wall and it looks beautiful. I'm delighted. Murat and I were sitting here looking at it once it was all painted and he was like, I literally can't believe we're staring at a circle on the wall and calling it art. And I was like, I know. So really happy with that. It's super practical. I cannot express how nice it is that now the door opens all the way and there are not shoes blocking the door from opening. That was such an annoyance and it's fixed. So yeah, I'm really happy. So what did you think? Let me know down below what you liked about it, your favorite part, what you think I should do to continue making it a beautiful space. I don't know if I have the stamina for that, but I will certainly take it into consideration. And that's all. Make sure you hit the like button, go ahead and subscribe, notify, all those things, and come find me on Instagram. @thespines is my handle. My DMs are always open, so come hang out, come chat. Okay, that's all. I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye!